Upland South take on salt, pepper, garlic. For starters, get you some salt, pepper, garlic. Go to your local grocery store. Go wherever you get your salt, pepper, garlic. Grab it. Then salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to be using a 2-1-1 ratio. So 2 parts salt, 1 part black pepper, and then 1 part garlic. I'm going to be making about a pound of this. So I'm going to do about 8 ounces of salt, 4 ounces of pepper, and 4 ounces of garlic. Now we're just going to put this into our storage container and use it whenever we need to, barbecuing, steaks, just whatever. Just a little quick, simple salt, pepper, garlic.